Hi, my name is Kelsie Bailey.
Hi, I'm Raveena.
Today we're going to show you some different functional exercises you can do here at Total Fitness. You ready?
Yep.
All right. Today we're going to have Raveena do the sandbag shoulder toss and then slam. So our sandbags here at Total Fitness have colored handles. So what she's going to do, she's going to grab those colored handles down in a nice good squat form here, nice straight back, chest is up. She's going to bring that sandbag up to her shoulder and slam it down. So bring it on up, top the shoulder, and slam it. Good, and don't let go of that sandbag the whole time. So we come up, slam it on down, good, up, and slam it down, good. Good, so this really works those core, works the shoulders, works the legs. It's a good total body movement and gets that heart rate. Alright, so today we're going to have Raveena do the sandbag pull-through. So you can see here she's on all fours, so she's on her hands and knees to create proper stabilization. This is going to be the level 1 for those that are beginners. And what she's going to do is she's going to reach across, with her opposite, and she's going to pull that sandbag underneath her and across. Just like that. So she's keeping her core and everything nice and tight. She's not allowing her body to rotate too much. She does this, and then Alright, so with level 2, so we did level 1, level 2 here, what she's going to do is she's going to keep one hand down and then she's going to keep one knee down and she's going to pull with that opposite. You can see she has the opposites down when she goes to pull so that she's fully stable and doesn't rotate that body too much. Good. So level 3, what she's on her hands and then she's creating a nice wide base with those feet so that she keeps proper stabilization through here and she doesn't rotate too much. What she's going to do, again, is just reach with the opposite and pull it underneath. Anywhere from 10 to 20 reps on each arm with these is preferable and will create a good workout for that core and those shoulders.